In this video, I'll be showing you how to find and download apps in store on Windows PC and laptop. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So there's a few different methods you can do. For example, if you ever want to download something from a browser, you could go ahead and do that very easily. But we're going to use the Microsoft Store. So what we're going to do is on whatever PC or laptop you have, whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, you're going to have the Microsoft Store installed. So what you want to do is type in Microsoft and you're going to see the Microsoft Store right here. Go ahead and click on it because like I said, it's pre-installed. And over here, you're going to see trending games, apps, anything like that. You can scroll through so many different things. It has thousands of things to choose from. And then once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different things like trending games, trending apps, and a bunch of different things that you could obviously go ahead and look through. Of course, there's different categories as well. And if you want to search something specific, go over here to search it. Now, if you want to obviously find something, like I said, search it. And if you found something that you want, let's say I wanted to go ahead and download Netflix, right? All I got to do is go ahead and click on it on whatever application I see to download and install it. All you got to do is press get right here. So I pressed it and initially it's going to be downloading, which uses internet, right? It's going to say preparing to download and then it installs and it just said installing for like less than a second there because it's very quick. And then once it's done, it's going to say open right here. And what you're also going to find is you might see a desktop icon right here. If you don't, then what you can do is just search up Netflix right here and you can pin it to your taskbar like so if you ever want to do that as well. And then that's literally it. You'll be good to go. Now, there's a few different ways to do it. Like I said, like another way to do it, like for example, I can get Roblox on the Microsoft Store, but I could also get it over here as well. So I can just go over to my browser of choice and download a Roblox like application like this. And yeah, that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.